Welcome back everyone to tutorial number 42, and in this video we will quickly learn about animation callbacks. Now Angular is going to fire events, one at the beginning of the animation and one at the end of the animation. So it is possible to listen to these events by assigning an event handler and get some information about the animation. So let's have a look at the code. Over here in our div tag where we have the trigger for our animation, we can bind, or we can do event binding. So we are going to use the trigger name, or sorry, the trigger, so which is going to be lights on off. This is nothing but the animation, and then dot start. So this is going to be the event that Angular will fire when the animation has started. So I'm going to assign animation started as the handler, and this is going to accept $event. Now similarly, we can also have another event binding. So instead of trigger.start, we're going to have trigger.done, and this we're going to assign animation done and then $event. So basically animation.done is going to be fired when the animation has completed, animation.start when the animation has begun. So let's go ahead and define these two methods now. So animation started, and this is going to accept event, and over here we're going to just log to the console. So console.log start animation, and then we can get access to some of the some information about the animation. So console.log event dot, we can say from state, and similarly console.log event.toState, and then finally we can also get the total duration of the animation. So console.log event.totalTime. And similarly I can define animation done. So animation started will be changed to animation done, and we're going to move this to the bottom. So animation completed or animation done, and then we're going to log in the same other information. So when I save this, let's go over to our browser, and this has crashed. I'm not sure why. I'm just going to reload this and also open the console. All right, let me open the console. Okay, there you go. So now if you have a look, all right, let me just clear it and then trigger the animation again. So I'm going to click on toggle lights. It's going to start the animation. Now it is going from off state, which is the from state, to the on state, and the total duration is 5 seconds. How is that? 2 seconds duration plus 3 seconds delay. So the total time is 5 seconds. So start animation from to total time. So start animation from off to on, total duration 5000. And similarly, when the animation completed, again it's going to be the same. From off state we went to on state for a duration of 5000, and then animation is done. So these three are kind of redundant, but I just wanted to show you that they are accessible. Now what you can do in these callbacks is maybe assign new values, and one thing I thought that would work was chaining animations. So at the end of one animation, or at the end of first animation, I can trigger the second animation by maybe setting this state value, and at the end of second animation I can trigger the third, and so on. But unfortunately it didn't work out as I expected it to, and all the animations kind of happened simultaneously. So I'm not sure if that is what they were expecting, but if I learn a real practical use for animation callbacks, I'll let you know. But for now, just remember that animations do have callback, and they can provide you some valuable information. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.